It's okay. Hello everyone. Oops. Hello guys. I'm here for now while I'm cooking. Kumusta mga higala? Say hi to me and I see you back. Kumusta ang inyong kalagayan dyan? For now we are doing live. Oh wow. I just came home from work, guys. So I came home from work and I work again. This is my life. My life. Ay, ay. There's only you in my life. My life. We only just begun. My first love. Your every breath that I take. Am I doing right? I'm gonna be cooking, guys. Promise. I'm cooking. And Allah. No copyright, okay? I'm just having this for fun. Hello! Oh my God, I have you guys. Thank you so much. You are amazing people. You are amazing people here in the world. And I can see. I can see it in your eyes. Come, I didn't see. I long to see the sunlight. I look at you in my other phone, so you can type in. And we'll see you guys again. Magluto na ko kay akong anak. Mulakaw ko no siya around 5, but I don't know. Hello guys. How's everybody's doing today? I know 4 of you is here. 2 million. Shout out for 2 million in the house. I'm gonna be cooking pork chop, guys. I promise to do my best. Oh, you wanna see the snow outside? I should show you the snow outside, guys. Look at it. You see? You see the snow?